Good morning, good morning. It's another beautiful day in Ocala. Happy Father's Day. This is what's happening today. Does anybody know where we're going today?
I do.
Where are we going?
Salt Lake Spring.
We're going where?
Spring place.
We're going to Silver
river.
Spring State
Yeah.
Park.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on a nice boat ride today.
I don't know. Oh.
Yay! We have a big fan over here.
We're gonna get fish this morning, or what?
We're gonna go catch some hasa.
I need a nice two little one for put on the grill, all right?
That's yeah. You're gonna barbecue some hasa today.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Make sure you bring me back
get
some hasa.
today, right?
You want help? I can go with you.
Happy Father's Day, by the way.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, bro. I hope everybody have a great day today. Check them out. Check them out. They're ready, man. Look at them. Look at them.
I'm subscribed.
You gonna drive?
No.
You should drive.
No.
No, you're going to front.
Are you guys ready to go?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Are we gonna meet up some fans?
We're gonna meet up some fans.
Thank you for the ride.
So today we're going on a boat ride. We're gonna go Silver Spring State Park, but we're gonna go through the waterways. We're gonna enjoy the sightseeing. Hopefully we'll see alligators, birds, monkeys, bears, turtles. I hope you guys didn't walk with Banana because we're gonna have monkeys in the boat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Papa.
Ah. So we're heading out to 40 right now. Ahead of us, we're gonna go left and straight to the boat ramp from here. About 5-10 minutes, we'll be at the water. We're almost at the park now. Look, the park is on the right hand side. Look there, you see that sign up there? Silver Spring entrance. We're going to this park, or we're going by boat through the river. We're going through the river. We're going at the boat ramp, the basin, and we're gonna launch our boat over there. Go for a nice river ride.
It's
Okay.
Railway side.
Mom, what's this road again?
Highway 40.
Highway 40. We're on Highway 40. We're
Heading
almost there to the boat ramp. I think the boat ramp it's right off of here now.
By the flashing light. No, not
Is it
yet.
here? No, the next one. That's this one. The next one.
So that road going across there.
All right. It's right here. Going right here.
Bridge going.
That road continues to Daytona, all the way out to 95.
That one up there. Get the park name.
We're here.
Yay!
Wayside.
Railway side park. Yeah, good.
Is anybody here?
No.
Nobody's here.
Well, we have annual pass.
You gotta have a pass on your window because you didn't pay and you park up in here. Then whoever is checking on it.
But how do you know you're paying the money? You go staging?
Water's low.
Staging right here.
Staging is right where?
Right there.
right. Let's go pull the covers off. Bags out the back here that we need.
What are you doing?
Take all the covers off. We'll bring down the ladder. Taking out the strap. Bye, you guys. Pull them over like that.
Oh.
I got a bunch of little ones. I got 3 snapping turtles.
Can't see his hand.
He's telling you to go.
Yeah, you still got like 5 feet.
Stop.
Hold on. You're not hooked up, it's just stuck on a trolling motor.
I didn't like that sound.
Yeah, little ramp.
Here we go.
You could
Are we good?
Yeah, bag.
Think we good? We'll put the ice bucket and stuff up front.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
So you get room to walk.
Yeah, we'll clear up the back here.
Hang your battery?
If you want to go, we'll turn back around.
Hello?
Last call for alcohol.
You
Last call
want
for relief.
Not yet. Only if I feel the bug.
We're all gonna go on you.
Yeah. Oh, man, that's like smooth.
Oh, the road.
Cheese.
It's so beautiful here.
Oh, the shade. The shade.
We should stay here, right? Because it's nice and cool, calm.
Yeah, look
Try to
at
catch
the,
a fish out here.
No rain, no rain. 2 feet only. You can stand up on Lana.
But
2 feet.
there's a stick
Oh,
in the water.
yeah, 2.7 feet. Only.
Go with that and then take a picture. Go ahead, Mom.
Left for Hassa, right for the park.
No consumption of alcohol.
I see a gator.
Where?
Oh, it's a log. Sorry.
Oh, it's very shallow right here.
Look at the watercolor change.
You can see all the way down to the bottom. What?
Oh.
Yeah, it's very shallow.
Dad,
So I think the spring. This is this like the spring water mixing with the Ocklawaha River.
See, now it looks deep.
So it's brownish. There's a fish right there in its hole.
You want to touch it, Mama?
Touch it again. Touch it again.
Ice cold. I'm not jumping in this thing. It's like a cool back. Ah!
Did he get you on? When he goes slow.
There you go.
Are you touching? Yeah.
Cold, right?
That's not really.
It is cold.
I think that's the Gilligan Island. Guys, look how beautiful this is. Look how crystal clear that water is. You gotta come out and enjoy this, man. This is so awesome.
it looks like it has a hole in the middle.
There's a manatee right up ahead.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you. Agnes.
Hi. Save me, help me. Hold on.
Palms are sticking out more. Still alive.
Oh, I can feel the water splashing.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Look at that bird.
This is nature at its best.
Like the tourist spot, they put a sign up, stay in your vessel.
Don't come here and start about it. You just start noticing me. Gotta get my license.
Don't lose that.
Our log.
You see nothing
No, we
because,
didn't.
This way.
because nobody
It's shallow
hit
there.
a not now. Shallow water.
Oh, there's a dock right here. What is this? There's a dock. This is the dock.
Yeah.
I look for the man.
Okay, we gotta look for Manatee here. Go that way.
Very shallow.
Oh, this must be
Is that a manatee right there? Slow down. Pull the lever up slowly.
It is.
Whoa.
Right there.
Look, it's huge.
Here, Ange.
That's a big one.
I don't have the wrist. Right there. Oh, it was down there now.
See the baby. You can adjust your camera.
Now you see, right?
Yeah, because I was looking for a dark one, not a light one.
On the handle.
I got it. Look, say something. That.
Going under the bushes.
I know, we can't close the windows to the bugs out.
Where?
Bye.
Yeah,
On the
there we
right
go.
hand.
It's a light.
I mean, right,
Where's
right.
your glasses?
Right.
Take it off. Oh, maybe it's not polarized then. No, I was looking for a dark spot. Oh, no.
We're looking for the one on TV, the dark black one.
That's what I was looking
This one shines from the alien spring water.
I don't see the baby. About to go. I like the boat.
A kayak.
There you go. No, but it's harder.
Don't rock the boat! Don't rock the boat, baby! Don't rock the boat!
Somebody gotta get seat.
You rocking the boat!
He wants to fall. That's what he wants.
Move that thing from there before you trip on it.
You know, I could do it without.
Hello!
Hi.
So this is Silver River. This river travels all the way back into the beginning of the park where the river ends. The water comes out from underground in the park and travels downstream into the river. So we're basically going upstream right now to head all the way into the park where there's underwater scene. There's 3 statues, I believe, deep down under.
Long log.
Yeah, the rest is over there and then there's something.
You want to feel the water on your toes?
Oh, look, the turtle just went in.
That's a long...
Oh, alligator.
Alligator!
Oh, yeah.
Hiding.
This side of the side and this side.
Oh yeah, a family. But she's gonna hit the other person kayak. Yeah.
They're sailing in the front there. They're moving. Manatees, manatees.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah. That's a pretty big one.
Angie, you could try, I guess. You could try.
It's too far. There's too much grass in the way.
I was looking if you had a little doggy because I take pictures of
Oh.
doggy.
Sea monkeys?
Sea monkeys. No monkeys.
No, but they have sea monkeys. Yeah, when we see it, we're gonna know. The monkey. Sea monkey.
Is it a monkey in the sea?
Is that ducks over there? I think I see ducks. Is that Peking duck or we see duck?
No swimming, no fishing, no scuba, no snorkeling. Please yield to the glass bottom boats.
Hey, under the castle. Get my daughter.
We gotta look for the monkeys now.
Yeah.
Because they said monkeys.
Look how crystal
up there,
clear
there's
that
a
water
turtle,
is.
look.
And look at the grass down at the bottom.
There's two
Food for
turtles.
manatees. There are some turtles there, right there on the log.
Oh.
A fallen palm tree.
Garbage. It's like a moth, like floating.
It's a log in the water.
There's a turtle down in there.
Ooh, fish. I see fish. That looks like a tilapia right there. Ooh.
A big one. Look
Yeah.
at it.
Big tilapia.
Look at that one. It's huge.
Not wet. If I didn't know where to understand what would happen.
You should say thank you, Mom,
Yeah.
for bringing these clothes.
Behind the tree, look, look.
You see it?
Right there. Sitting on the plate.
Whoa! Hi! Bye bye! Uy! Oh wow! Look, he's climbing up the tree.
Andrew, did you record? Is she recording it? I'm recording. If I can.
Hello. Have fun? Yes, there's manatee ahead right there.
What's up there?
Manatee. A few of them.
A baby and a mom.
Thank you.
Sure.
And there's like 6 tilapia on me.
I'm not reaching any
You
farther.
can't come from that.
Not with the paddle.
Malana, I mean Kaden, one at a time. Both of you can be there.
Is that the Indian style or is it charcoal?
That's a hard rocky bottom right there.
That's the calcium from the spring.
It looks like concrete.
Yeah.
No, that's what they
Sure
call it for the
does.
glass bottom boat ride.
And there's a fish sitting right there. Got manatee ahead that way.
Maybe up there too.
Oh, okay.
Haika River Tour. They got
Hi.
kayaks.
Hi. You guys look happy.
Feels good.
There.
Some
Such a happy
breeze.
day. Can you guys count what we've seen so far? What we've seen so far, Marlene?
Monkey! Monkey!
What happened to the
Manatee. Fish.
Alligator fish.
Oh, duck. Look, the duck and the babies.
Aw, baby ducks.
And a turtle in the back.
Nobody cares about the turtle. Oh, there's so many over there.
Oh, Florida Fish and Wildlife people. Oh no, they're Boy Scout people.
Let me pass out these people.
Boy Scout.
They're women. And
Is it? No.
You got, I told her to put it on if she's moving around.
The duck! Duck, stop! No, go! Okay, good.
I didn't get it. And there's your glass bottom boat ride boat over there.
yeah.
So we're going that same direction, straight ahead.
We took it a long time ago. Oh.
You're not gonna wait?
No, right there.
Yeah,
They're just sitting. What? A wasp?
not a wasp, that's a palm pea.
That was a wasp.
Oh, look at those fishes.
Okay, let it
Whole
go.
school of
Like
them.
my hat.
Coming
Huh?
from,
They're coming from the whole school of them.
Oh yeah.
No, it's coming from the baby.
Oh, and so long you follow us, you're gonna hide in the hole sleeping? No, you wake up.
Harry,
Look at that.
pay attention to the glass bottom boat. You see when in that corner over there? The corner right there? Let's go to that corner, see if there's something there. Yeah. Where that kayak.
Kayak going.
Yeah. Maybe there's a little scenery down at the bottom. You got to kind of follow them what they're doing. You'll get to see all the spots, the hot spots.
Oh, this is part of the park.
Yeah. I think we walked across that bridge right there. Me and Angie.
This is where we used to catch the boats that go on the shore.
Yes, Dad, we walked there. Dad,
Yeah.
that's where the diving thing is.
Ah.
Nobody died. The park closed. They changed up the whole
Okay, Harry.
concept of it.
What do you see under this hole here?
It says alligator
Swimming.
swimming. Alligator swimming.
Oh, there's like
Oh, look, a school of fish right here. Look at that.
this is where you come down.
Tilapia.
That one's huge.
Mm-hmm.
There's like a big hole right there with a bunch of fishes.
Oh, fishes on there.
Oh, there's a bunch of kayakers over there. Are we gonna come back here and do some kayaking?
Oh, fish.
Eat one I can.
A lot of fish in the grass here.
Over there.
Huh?
That's the park that way? Oh.
Yeah, that's the just part right there.
Oh my God! Look how much fish there on here. Look.
Oh shit. Two up on the grill, we are right by.
That's a lot of fish.
You can do the rod.
Can't do no fishing here. No fishing.
Okay, video your entrance.
Oh, we're here.
Do we need to slow down?
Oh yeah. We gotta look for the underwater scene. We're here, guys.
Yay!
We made it up in the park.
So now we have to drive back with the boat.
Come and take a walk in this park. I promise you will enjoy it. Very peaceful. Right here is one of the area where they do water scene, movie scenes. Right there in that hole should be 3 statues. We're not able to see it right now, but there's 3 statues deep down in that hole.
You drive.
If you're coming by car, right there on the left is the entrance where you get your passes to get in the park. And if you want to do glass bottom boat ride, I recommend it strongly. You get to see some beautiful underwater scenes. I believe it's $5 for the glass bottom boat rides. There's 3 birds in the branches.
Get on the boats.
Look how many people coming through there, and it's a lot of kayakers. They have a little tour going on there. Parks are under the water. It looked like lunchtime up in here. What are you guys eating? Yum yum.
Not you. Nothing. Nom 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 nom. Over here. Look over here.
It must be lunchtime. Oh, there's a lot of boats and kayaks coming.
Better get up there.
What time is it?
Almost 12:45.
What is it?
12:45.
12:45. I see a cloudy sky over my head. Check your phone, see if there's a rain coming.
Yeah,
At 2? So we're gonna go home then. We'll go back home. Don't want to be out here in the rain. You see that distance we just came from? That's probably where we gotta go to find Hossa. How much? 50? 65. A little bit more than 50. You want me to call for the monkey?
Yeah. You don't want to be responsible.
It's summertime, and this video is to encourage you to go out in your area and enjoy your parks and your rivers and all the fun stuff to do. Life is shorter than short. Go out and enjoy it while it lasts. I always like to say these words because it's really so true. Enjoy one day every weekend if you can. Work hard and play harder. It will help reset your mind, body, and soul. This video is the true meaning of bossa line. Do fun things with your friends and family. Bossa line. Guys, as we get older, there's gonna be a day when we can't get up and go anymore and can't do anything. We'll be stuck in one place. You gotta do this while you can. Quit telling yourself you're gonna do it one day, or when I'm retired I'm gonna do it. Don't wait for that day. Do it now. If you like this video, please give us a like, a share, and subscribe. Join our YouTube family and let's have some fun. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Drop a line in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. I want to know what you think about this video. Tell a friend. Tell your cousin. Go ahead and tell your cousin. Yes, tell your cousin! Guys, you guys had fun today? So guys, this is it. This is where you come in at the basin. If you want to get in with your boat and go upstream to Silver Spring State Park, this is the way to do it right here. So we had a great day here today, cruising up the river, up and down the river into the park, and everything went well. No rain. It's hot, but not too hot. After all, I think the kids had a lot of fun too. So now it's time to put the boat back up on the trailer. Tell them to come down a little bit more. A little more. Okay. That's good. Time to come down a little bit more. Come down. Come down. Come down. A little more. A little more. Okay. Tell them to hold on right there.
I didn't catch it. Yeah, just that. The concrete is uneven. Not too much. Look at the drop. Look at the drop of the concrete.